On Earth, the magnetosphere protects us from harmful radiation from our sun. However, when astronauts are traveling to other planets, they no longer have the protection of such a shield. Once they pass that fine line, they are vulnerable to all sorts of deadly radiation, not only from our sun, but from other stars as well. They have to account for solar energetic particles and galactic cosmic radiation. Solar energetic particle events are caused by solar flares and coronal mass ejections, in which tons of solar material is launched up. They fling protons at high speeds, which can penetrate our skin, and it can damage our DNA. They can also destroy our vital life support systems and make the situation extremely dangerous. Luckily, they're very rare, and they give a little bit of time to react because it takes a little less than an hour. For example, on the space station, they use stowage bags, the stuff they brought all of their supplies in, to create a dense wall to protect themselves in. On a long-distance trip to Mars, however, an SEP event could be dangerous because the trips take a long time, so it'd be impossible to get them help. So, NASA is working on making protective vests and charged materials that cover the outside to protect themselves from such radiation. Galactic cosmic radiation is radiation from the distant stars, and it does not stop. In a NASA scientist's words, if solar energetic particles are a sudden downpour, galactic cosmic radiation is a steady drizzle. But a drizzle can be a nuisance too. They consist of hydrogen, oxygen, and iron, and other heavy elements, which have been stripped of all of their electrons. They ionize everything that they touch, destroying our skin, DNA, our equipment. Luckily, traveling within our own system would be protected from most of this because our sun has its own protective sphere, the heliosphere. NASA is working on a solution to these problems. They have noticed that some people, either they have different bodily processes or maybe their genetics are really lucky, some people, they are less likely to be hurt by these radiation. Once they figure out what things are making them more safe, they can copy them and make us safe so that when we go to space, we are safe.